Leader democratic laissez-faire, no interference. Transformation structure of the column inspire vision, teacher, classroom leader, planner, lesson plan, TLM, technology, learning material, manager, time group, discipline, motivator, high expectation, school leader, team member, staffing, community linking, most school अभियान, parent contact, most school अभियान, social leader, change agent, remove untouchability, child marriage, Odisha, tribal area teacher, remove untouchability, child marriage, Odisha tribal area teacher, remove untouchability, child marriage, Odisha tribal area teacher, change agent, remove untouchability, child marriage, Odisha tribal area teacher. New 2021's vision, empathy, takes be inclusive. Teacher is a nation builder, so must be leader first. Radha Krishnan. Headmaster explains the quality and function of effective headmaster. As for 5T school transformations, Odisha. Framework. Headmaster. Academic plus administrative leader of school. NEP 2020 principal as pedagogical leader. Pedagogical leader. Headmaster, academic plus administrative leader. NEP 2020 principal as pedagogical leader. Visionary definition. Visionary 5T technology framework, transparency, time, transformation. Visionary 5T technology framework, transparency, time, transparency. Democratic staff, student voice in decision. Instructional tech classes, does observation. Academic administrative leader of schools. Pedagogical leader. Study of study. Pedagogy. Attendance, Diksha, UDSI. Community mobilizer, most school vision, alumni fund, community mobilizer. Actually, technology, smart class, CCTV, e-library, Odisha school of teamwork, staff council, technology, smart class, CCTV. Actually, technology, smart class, CCTV, e-library, Odisha school, teamwork, smart class, CCTV, technology, library, Odisha school of teamwork, staff council, house systems, national public display of grants, MD menu, exam results. Time, period and time, 220 working days. Lesson plan check. Transformation, colorful building, toilet, labs, Bal Sansad. Other function 3. Academy, timetable, CC monitoring, remedial plan. Administrative, service book, budget, scholarships. Supervision, classroom observation, feedback 360. Academy timetable, CE monitoring. Collaboration, comprehensive education. Administrative service book, budget, scholarship, supervision for classroom observation, feedback 360 degree. Conclusion: Headmaster under 50, CEO of school, success of NEP depends on master. Unit 3. Define action research. Explain steps and importance of for teacher. Define fundamental research. Fundamental research. Stephen Corey. Question is define action research. Steps and importance for teacher. Action research. Action local. Your classroom problem immediate solve now. Not PhD 5 years. Cyclic plan act observe reflect. Collaborative with student colleagues. Identity problem. Why class 9 poor in English writing? Identity problem. Identify. Review. Talk to all teachers. See notes. Hypothesis. If I use picture composition, writing improves. Plan 4 weeks, 2 periods week. Picture plus vocabulary list. Act plus collected data. Pre-test. Post-test observation. Class 9 poor in English writing. Review. Talk to all teachers. See notes. Class 9. Review. Talk to all teachers. See notes. Hypothesis. If I use picture composition, writing improves. Plan 4 weeks, 2 periods weeks. Picture plus vocabulary list. 2 period by week. Week 2 period. Picture plus vocabulary list. Act plus collect data. Pre-test, post-test observation. Reflect plus report. Success percent in staff meeting. Importance for teacher. 4 points. Professional growth. Teacher becomes a researcher. NIV 2020. Problem solving. Homework not done. Absenteeism solved locally. Quality school improvement. NAC. Sala Siddhi. Empowerment. No need to wait for expert. Importance for teacher. Professional growth. Teacher becomes researcher. Problem solving. Homework not done. Absenteeism solved locally. Quality school improvement. Empowerment. No need to wait for expert. Improve practice and knowledge. Teacher in Korabut and knowledge. Teacher in Korabut did action research. Use of Saura to teach geometry. Result published SCRT. Teacher in Korabut did action research. Use of Saura to teach geometry. Practice add knowledge. Every teacher is a researcher. Everyday classroom a lab. NEP 2020. Teachers with creativity. They can implement any local traditional arts in education. Saura art teach geometry. Saura art style. Select classroom problem in your choice. Prepare an action research proposal with title, objectives, hypothesis, tool, procedure. Select a classroom problem of your choice. Framework. Improving reading comprehension on class 8 students through storytelling method in government high schools Bhubaneswar. Class 8 student in through storytelling method. Improve reading comprehension. Class 8 student through storytelling method. Background. 40% class 8 Odisha cannot read class 2 text. My class 35 student 15 weeks. Objective 3 to identify current reading level, to use storytelling and question answer to improve comprehension, to compare pre-test post-test score. Hypothesis. Storytelling method significantly improves reading comprehension. Storytelling method significantly improves reading comprehension of a class 8 student. Reading comprehension of a class 8 student. Hypothesis. Storytelling method improves reading comprehension of pre-test, post-test. Observation schedule, participation checklist. Interview, 5 week students who have fear reading. Pre-test, post-test. Observation schedule, participation checklist. Interview, 5 week student who have fear reading. Participation checklist. 5 week student who have fear reading. Sample 30 student class 8 section B papers. 6 weeks pre-test week 2 to 5. Daily 20 minutes 1 audio story plus English story. Use picture voice modulation. Week 6 post test plus feedbacks data analysis. Main HD pre-test graph. Then 29 August 10 budget 500 chart printout. Expected outcome 61 students class 70% mark. Conclusion, if success share in CRC most school portal. Unit 4 is analysis pre-test sample opposite tools pre-test post-test observation schedule participant checklist interview 5 week students 5 pair reading storytelling method significantly improves reading comprehensive of class A student. To identify current reading level, to use storytelling background. Improving reading comprehension class student. Explain concept of inclusive classroom management. Concept of inclusive classroom management. How will you manage a class having child with special needs? Gifted and slow learners together. Inclusive management organizing class so all children learn together with dignity. RPWD Act 2016. ଧୋଇବୁ ଦେଖ କଳମୂଳେ ପକା ତା ନେବି ପରଦିନ ବା ଜାଣି Definition inclusive management class so all children learn together with dignity. Principle ideal principle universal multiple means of representation visual plus air plus tactile Multiple means of representation: visual, audio, tactile. Means of engagement: chess, game, grow up. Right to draw, speak. Barrier free: ramp, TLM, pure body. Zero lesson: cannot see, board, braille, audio, diksha, body. Zero lesson. Group problem management strategy. Zero lesson भी है. Cannot see, board, braille, audio, diksha, body. Gifted, board, enrichment tasks, lead group, Olympiad. Slow learner, cannot catch, remedial, TLM, small steps, peer tutor. Board, enrichment tasks, lead group, Olympiad. Slow learner, cannot reach, remedial, TLM, small steps, peer tutor. Sitting, horseshoe. Zero lesson front, gifted mixed. Group heterogeneous, each one teach one. Each one teach one. Big font chart, real object, mobile app. Teaching learning time, extra time for zero lesson. Challenge time for gifted. Evaluation, CC, oral for some, MCQ for some, drawing for some. Challenge time for gifted. Challenge time for gifted. Evaluation. Oral for some, MCQ for some, drawing for some. Extra time for situation, challenge time for gifted. Big font chat, real object, mobile app. Left school, RAM, toilet, zero lesson friendly. IEDSS. Include any opportunity, no child left behind. Inclusive management. Real object, mobile app, each one teach one. Zero lesson front, gifted mix. Time, extra time for zero lesson, challenge time for gifted. Collaboration, comprehensive education, PC, oral. Slow learner, cannot reach, remedial. TLM, small steps, peer tutor. Bore enrichment, cannot see, board, braille. Audio, diksha, body. Barrier free, TLM. Write, draw, speak, multiple means of expression. Choice, game, group, multiple means of representation, visual, audio, tactile. What is school management committee? Explain composition, function, and role in school leaderships. School management committee. It is 2009. Function, role in school leaderships. Mandatory body in every government schools. Tutor members, 70% parent, 50% women. Care from parent, 20% one headmaster, one teacher, one peer member, one educationist. 10 or 2 years. Monitor attendance. See function, attendance, MDM, uniform textbook, midday meal, plan school development plan 3 years, finance manage 5,000 to 25,000 school grant, quality check CC, remedial class, grievance teacher absent, toilet problem, enrollment drive, Balmada, role in leadership points, decentralization, part to community, not DU only, accountability social audit, Musarkar notice, ownership my schools. My school division alumni plus Odisha strengthening SMC after training by SCRT 50 mandate problems. Elite capture meeting only on paper. Odisha strengthening SMC appearance training by SET. Elite capture meeting only on paper. SMC is parliament of schools. Makes HM democratic leader. SMC training by SET 5 to mandate exam.